Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can record bank transfer on accounting. To record bank transfer, we have two options. We can go through banking and record transfer through transfer section or through accounts. Let's do through transfer section first. So here, click on new transfer. And now we need to select information or fill in fields. So select from which account money has been sent. So for example, from current account, money has been sent to my business account and money was sent on 13th. And enter an amount, how much has been sent, for example 250, and add description, I will say it's bank transfer. Okay. Payment method, it is bank transfer, add reference, and also you can add an attachment and click save. Okay, so here if you click on drop down list, I can edit, so this can be edited. If you click on more options, we have option to edit from here, duplicate, print or download this transfer paperwork, choose template or also delete. When we go back to transfers, we can see 215 has been recorded here. So if you go through accounts, to record new bank transfer, click on bank account from which we have made the transfer. Here I have made from business to current account. Click on this drop-down list and select transfer. Okay, so it defaults from business. Select to which account money has been sent, on which date, and how much. So in my case, it is £500, and I will say bank transfer. Payment method is bank transfer. You can add reference number and also add an attachment. And click save. So this is the same, not the same, it's a transfer like a receipt, and we have been dropped to transfer section. So when I click on transfers now, £500 been recorded with date of 15th of June, and money has been moved from business account to current account. So this is the way how you can record bank transfers on accounting. But if you have any questions or require any further advice, please feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete accounting tutorial, as well as this accounting software's review. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.